Hello, welcome to the HC Programming channel. Subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get notified of the latest videos from us. HTML5. Chapter 5, Text Formatting. Text formatting. While most HTML tags are used to create elements, HTML also provides in-text formatting tags to apply specific text-related styles to portions of text. This topic includes examples of HTML text formatting such as highlighting, bolding, underlining, subscript, and stricken text. Section 5.1, Highlighting. The mark element is new in HTML5 and is used to mark or highlight text in a document due to its relevance in another context. The most common example would be in the results of a search where the user has entered a search query and results are shown highlighting the desired query. A common standard formatting is black text on a yellow background, but this can be changed with CSS. Section 5.2, Bold, Italic, and Underline. Bold text. To bold text, use the strong or B tags. What's the difference? Semantics. Strong is used to indicate that the text is fundamentally or semantically important to the surrounding text, while B indicates no such importance and simply represents text that should be bolded. If you were to use B, a text-to-speech program would not say the words any differently than any of the other words around it. You are simply drawing attention to them without adding any additional importance. By using strong, though, the same program would want to speak those words with a different tone of voice to convey that the text is important in some way. Italic text. To italicize text, use the M or I tags. What's the difference? Semantics. M is used to indicate that the text should have extra emphasis that should be stressed, while I simply represents text which should be set off from the normal text around it. For example, if you wanted to stress the action inside a sentence, one might do so by emphasizing it in italics via M. Would you just submit the edit already? But if you were identifying a book or newspaper that you would normally italicize stylistically, you would simply use I. I was forced to read Romeo and Juliet in high school. Underline text. While the U element itself was deprecated in HTML4, it was reintroduced with alternate semantic meaning in HTML5, to represent an unarticulated, non-textual annotation. You might use such a rendering to indicate misspelled text on the page, or for a Chinese proper name mark. Section 5.3, Abbreviation. To mark some expression as an abbreviation, use abbreviated tag. If present, the title attribute is used to present the full description of such abbreviation. Section 5.4, Inserted, Deleted, or Stricken. To mark text as inserted, use the ins tag. To mark text as deleted, use the del tag. To strike through text, use the s tag. Section 5.5, Superscript and Subscript. To offset text either upward or downward, you can use the tags sup and sub. To create superscript, to create subscript. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment and share if this video is useful for you and many people. See you in the next video. Bye bye.